We are going to use only two ingredients to make a powerful hair growth spray. Yes, a very powerful one. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia. If this is the first time you are stopping by, please do well to subscribe if you like the video. So our first ingredient is hibiscus leaves. Yes, all hibiscus flowers. This leaves is very potent. Like I've shared a lot of videos on how hibiscus flowers can change the can change the journey of your hair growth. Yeah. And our second ingredient is fenugreek seeds. This is also a very common seed, but I think a lot of people don't know it, so you can always use a picture when you are going to get them at the shops. So the whole point of this video is we are making hair growth spray, and hair growth spray means that they go with water. Hair growth oil goes with oil, and then the spray goes with water. So you add them into a container and then you add your hot water so that it infuses, and then you wait for about 30 minutes, then you strain it. This is one method of making it, and another method is boiling it, like boiling it under heat. And the last method is leaving it in water overnight so that it infuses. Whichever method is more convenient for you, or whichever method is more easy for you, then you have to do it. So I'm using this in my twist. I've had this twist for about 3 weeks, and then I wanted to use it in my twist as well. Yes, so this is a kinky twist I did a while ago, and I needed to refresh my scalp as well as strengthen the hair strands. You know that when you're in braids or twist or protective style, it doesn't mean that you should leave your hair like that. It is very wrong. You are going to cause yourself more harm than good by leaving your hair just like that. Yeah. So once you have the spray ready, the whole thing is to now spray them on your hair, because on your scalp and also your hair if you want. For spraying it on the hair itself is very optional. You just want to moisturize the hair, like don't make the hair dry or curl around each other. But the main focus is the scalp that you see me do in the video. Yes. So why did I choose hibiscus and fenugreek seeds? These are natural ingredients and they are very potent. Like there are a lot of herbs in nature that if you don't know their purpose, they may be growing right under your nose and you may be suffering from something that they could help you, but because you don't know their purpose, they will just be there and your illness or your challenge will still be there. So hibiscus flowers is something that you use on your scalp to help strengthen your hair. If you have dandruff, using hibiscus tea is able to help eliminate or reduce the appearance of dandruff. It really works. Like if you've been on this page, you know that I used to have dandruff a lot. I used to battle with dandruff. I don't know how it came. I'm always saying that I visited a salon and I got it from there, but then because I'm not very sure, but that is what I always say. I got it from a salon. I visited once and then it just popped up on my scalp. But then it's past and gone. So right now I'm focusing on getting rid of it. So in this braids that I've had for 3 weeks plus, there's no single dandruff on my scalp. Yes, they are flakes. They are not flakes per se. They are dirt on my scalp. But the dandruff I used to have that will fall off when I hit my hair, or even when you touch me and I shake a bit, that dandruff didn't appear on the scalp. And I'm telling you that the only thing I've used is herbs. I haven't gone to buy any special dandruff cream. I haven't gone to buy anything special or anything. The only thing I've been using on my hair is herbs. That is why I recommend these herbs to you all the time. Yes. So spray them on your scalp and then do well to massage them. Hibiscus is also able to change or darken your hair color. If you're having issues with darkening your hair color, using hibiscus as a mask continuously is able to revive, or change the color of your hair, not just making it reddish. Like when you continue to use it, its natural color becomes more pigmented. Yes, you will also notice that I'm really focusing on my edges. Yes, this brace has really shown me shaky on my edges, and it is helping me. This treatment is helping me regrow my edges. Yes, I'm following up with leave-in conditioner. This is a leave-in cream from Mega Growth. It smells so nice. If you are someone who is conscious about how you smell, especially when you use DIY on your hair, I recommend you use this leave-in cream because you are going to love it. It smells really nice and you wouldn't have to worry about, hey, my hair is smelling bad, hey, this, hey, that. Like, no, not at all. So hibiscus tea The benefits are numerous. If you want to really see growth and change in your hair, try hibiscus. Using them as a powder is my favorite, but you can't use it as a powder when you have protective style. No, it will not work. Use it as a powder when you have taken down your protective style. Now, the next ingredient was fenugreek seeds. Guys, fenugreek has several benefits. Apart from using it on the hair, I see people use it to lose weight. I see people use it to even gain weight. Like it's a technique you have to do. There's a way you do it to gain weight. There's a way you do it to lose weight. So it's a technique you have to do. But today we are talking about how fenugreek seeds can alter the growth of your hair. It can grow your hair very, very fast. Like when I say very, very fast, I mean very, very fast. Using it as a powder is what does the magic. Like I love using these as a powder, but when you want to turn it into a spray, it's difficult because straining a powder is I mean, it's too much work. But if you don't mind the work, try using fenugreek powder into a paste and use it on your hair, and you are going to love it. Fenugreek grows the hair. You can also use fenugreek oil on your hair. You are going to love it. Like, I don't come here and tell you wrong things. I come here and tell you the truth. You are really going to love what fenugreek will do for you. Fenugreek also helps to eliminate dandruff. So imagine using hibiscus and fenugreek. You are going to, fight that dandruff that has been appearing on your scalp for a while now, and they are going to be disgraced. I mean, yes. So, guys, this is how you can use hibiscus and fenugreek to grow your hair, especially if you are in a protective style. I always say that protective styles do not mean that leave your hair alone. It means that you can take your time and take care of your hair without even stressing about it because you have direct access to your scalp. So protective style don't mean that leave your hair alone, please. And also when you're done with this, if you have hair growth oil that you have made yourself or that you have bought, apply it on the scalp and then massage it very, very well. Massaging really promotes hair growth. So imagine putting hibiscus, fenugreek, and then massaging your scalp with your hair growth oil. That is the perfect combination you can do for yourself. Yes. So I did it throughout my hair and I was good to go. You ask me that how often can I do this? It depends on your hair porosity. If your hair gets dry very, very fast, try doing this every day. But then it can get clogged. If you intend to clip your braids for a month, I don't advise you do this every day because you are going to clog your pores. So let's say 3 times a week is also fine. You follow up with your oil. But even though I keep my hair for a month, I usually wash my braids after 3 weeks. So I'll be washing these braids very soon after 3 weeks. So yeah, that is basically it. How you can use it depends on your hair porosity and how fast your hair gets dried. Yeah. You can target problem areas like where you know there's a particular issue so that you know that it is resolved quickly and fast. Yeah. So this is me trying to look at my scalp and everything was fine. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do well to subscribe if you are new. Bye.